guys, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a look using mostly Charlotte Tilbury today. I just thought it would be fun to do a look using mostly one brand. I don't have all of her stuff. I'm going to talk about that in the video too. It's kind of like having a little tea. Although I like coffee better, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, so we're just going to get right into the video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Annie. I share new videos every single week. So if you are interested in makeup, skincare, a little bit of fashion for mature ladies, you are in the right place. And I would love to have you join us. Just click that button below, hit the subscribe button. It's free. And also make sure you click that notification bell too, because I don't want you to miss out on any of my content. So let's get into it. And while I'm doing it, I'm going to use some non-Charlotte Tilbury things. So I'm going to go in really quickly. And I am going to use my eye primer, which is from Trish McAvoy. Now I did put the magic cream on. I should have brought it in here, but I have been really loving that stuff, guys. I really have. I tried it a while ago and I didn't like it. And lately, I don't know, I like the glow that it gives on my skin because I don't wear a lot of foundation lately. So I've been weaning myself off of it lately, it sounds like it's like a bad thing. I've been using less and less foundation just because I don't like the way it looks on me. So I'm just using less and less. And since we're talking about foundations and not liking them, I've tried all of, I think, but one foundation of Charlotte's. I think there's one I didn't use. I don't remember which one it was, but I just don't like her foundations. They just don't work on my skin. I just feel like they look greasy by the end of the day. I'm just using a little bit of Giorgio Armani. Sometimes I use my Lancome Fesserins. I bought this Giorgio Armani to use under my eyes, and I don't like it under my eyes. So I'm using it this way. I am going to use a concealer that I shared with you guys recently. It's from Fit Glow Beauty. I'm loving it. I'm not saying that I don't like my Fesserins, but I'm liking, I'm enjoying using this one right now because it color corrects as well. And that's that on that. I just see if this little, so normally I don't put a concealer on there because it's not dark enough. See what it did? I didn't do anything. So let me just get into the concealer really quick. So let's talk about some things at Charlotte Tilbury's that I don't like since I'm putting this on. Things of Charlotte Tilbury's that I don't like. Let's talk about that. I do not like her foundations. Like I said, I've tried I feel like all of them maybe except for one. And even her most recent one that's supposed to be for mature skin. Honey, no. Something else of Charlotte's that I don't like is I do not like her glosses. I just feel like it's expensive for what you're getting. And I just found when I tried it, like I didn't like the applicator and how much was coming out. I just didn't like it. I just don't like it. So that's another thing. The bronzer and the highlighter are okay. I tried her brow stuff. I'm going to give it another try. I want to use up what I have first. And her mascara I can't use. And I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder. I'm going to use my PK Beauty brush. And this is the number, I can't remember numbers. I always have to look. Some people are like, this is number, I'm not that person. This is number 108. PK Beauty. I'm going to put some under here like that. One thing I will tell you is make sure that before you put your powder on, make sure you blend it, girl, because if you have any creases, you just sealed it in. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is I want to cover this guy up here because it's really annoying me. So I'm just going to use this really quickly. I've shared this before. This is my Color Science color corrector that I love so much. You have a little redness? No problem. We're just going to take this and we're going to go bibbity bobbity. See that? See how it toned that down? Yeah. I'm going to go in with this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand in the color Fair Medium. Really fair medium? Doesn't look like fair to me. Okay. Then just go like this. Ooh. And then I'm going to take my BK Beauty brush, number 104. And first I'm just going to pat it a little bit. And then I kind of go up with it. And then I just keep it in that area and blend it. See how that just kind of, So now I'm going to go in and I am going to use this blush. So I don't have one of her cream blushes, but I'm going to use this one, and I believe this is in the color Orgasm. No, Ecstasy. Same thing. Where is my mind? I'm going to go ahead and use this, and I'm going to use my BK Beauty brush number 107. You're supposed to swirl it and pop it. Her blush is really pretty. I'm just mostly into a lot more creams and liquids these days. It's really pretty. And just for kicks and giggles, I'm going to put a little bit of this. This is probably one of my favorite powders of all time. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. Magnifico is the best. But it is very expensive and you go through it really quickly. So I haven't bought any in a while, so we're just going to enjoy this a little bit. I'm just going to put a little bit on. I don't like a matte look, so I'm not going to go crazy. I'm just going to put on some on my nose, some right up there, right on the side here. I'm not going to go crazy. This stuff is amazing. Love it. So now we're going to go in with some highlighter. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Easy Highlighter in the color Spotlight. This stuff is fabulous. And I just like to go right here. Do you see that? Girl, you don't need a lot of this. I'm going to go in and use this color here first. It's the Pillow Talk palette. So I'm going to use that one. And apply it right there. Just going to do a really quick, simple look. Do you guys like use different palettes? Do you normally use colors from one palette, or do you like to mix and match? Like I will take out two palettes sometimes and I'll take colors from each one. I don't always do one palette. I mean, normally I do, but sometimes it's like, you know what? I want a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, you know? I am going to go in now, and I think I'm going to use this color right here from Golden Goddess. Use it on the corner. Now this palette is all shimmers, and I have worn it all shimmers. I've worn the whole look. It's so pretty. But I just kind of wanted to mix it up a little bit today, not do all that. So I'm going to take my other Rephr brush. This is the one that I had. This is so nice for your crease. This is number 15, and I like it because it kind of reminds me of the BK Beauty brush that I love so much. It's really similar, except this one's no, they're pretty close, aren't they? They're pretty close, but I like a brush like that to get into my crease and then to blend. Like, that's what I like. So now I think I'm going to go in. I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm going to take this brush here, my Rephr 1 brush. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so simple, but so pretty, isn't it? So I'm going to go in with this one right here, Zap Brown. This is in the same Pillow Talk. And I'm going to take my BK Beauty brush. And I'm going to right here. Lash line, do something here. I'm going to use, I'm going to use my Pillow Talk, one of my favorite ones. This is the one I pretty much use every freaking day. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. And then I am going to take, I'm going to take this one. This is Dance Floor Princess. I don't have a gloss. That's Charlotte Tilbury, but you know Mom's going to have some. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to use my Fenty today, and this is in the color Fenty Glow. Just going to use a little bit. So one more thing I want to do before I do my brows and my mascara and fix my hair because it looks so lovely is I'm going to use the color Barbara Brown. I am loving this eye pencil. I just love the color. I love how creamy it is. I'm not doing it in my waterline lately. Watch the magic. So I've shared this before. We're going to share it again. I'm just going to go right here, right on my lash line. Then I'm going to take my smudge brush and I'm going to go right on that area. I'm going to show you both eyes, but I feel like it makes my lashes look thicker, but I'm not putting it in my waterline. Okay. Now, hopefully I won't mess it up when I do my mascara, but another liner that I love of hers that I just started to use is this one, and it's called an eye cheat. So I'm going to take my eye cheat, I'm going to go right here inside. Now that I am getting on my waterline, you want to do that because what that does is it makes your eye look a little bit bigger. Now I know at first it looks kind of like, oh my god, it looks like you have stuff in there. As I wear it, I feel like it kind of gets toned down and tamed down. It doesn't look so intense. But I like it because I feel like it brightens up my eyes. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see. Oh, girl, I'm zoomed in. Ooh, focus. It's really bright. Kick it down. Okay. So you can see my skin. Look, see, my skin is not perfect. I have nice skin, but it's not perfect. Come on. Focus. Okay. See? I will leave the links below with everything that I shared in this video, that I'm wearing in this video. I will leave links below to my friend's beautiful jewelry that she makes. I love her pieces. Love, love, love them. And I know so many of you guys have purchased them as well. So I will leave links below with that as well. This is just from Target t-shirt. You know how I do it. Blue jeans t-shirt is how we do it. So hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. Someone's in the kitchen. Don't worry that I'm filming a video. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. Yeah, being home 24/7. It's been fun. A little help from Jack Daniels. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. Kinda not. I'm having a menopausal moment. I hate when I can't find my brushes. Sometimes I just want to throw things. Let me do my brows, my mascara, fix my hair, get the lipstick out of my teeth, and I'll be right back.